Oh, g'day champions. I don't even know why I'm doing this today. I've got a cold or something, so I can't smell bugger all. But we've got two Pacific Ales. I'm just going to get right into it. Hiatus beers. Pacific Ale. Not even going to pour it into a glass. I can sort of smell it. A bit passion fruity. Very passion fruity. That's pretty good actually. It must taste pretty strong to get through my blocked nostrils. I only give that a 7 out of 10 because it's actually impressive in the current state that I'm in, so it must be pretty good to anyone normal. So the next one is Capital Brewing Alkless Pacific Ale. So two pack ales, two Pacific Ales. Alright, that one smells more like a pale. Less fruity. Bit of a tang to that one. Almost like grapefruit or something. Probably only give that one a 6. So anyway, links down below. Not long now, 27th. We've kicked over $2,200 thanks to my man Lyle donating his live stream super chats from YouTube the other day when he did a live stream. Thank you very much, mate. And we've got quite a bit of catching up to do. I hope I can hit 31 in 31 days, 31 drinks in 31 days, but we'll see how we go, see how I feel tomorrow. Not much point doing drink samples if I can't taste much. So anyway, see you later champions, catch you tomorrow.